from the bottom, now we're here, girl. Oh, yeah. This my part right here. Ooh,
Howdy everybody. So hopefully y'all enjoyed that. We trying to lighten the mood and things going on in this world, and that always brings a smile to our face.
Don't judge us.
So we got some orders going out on eBay. Let's jump in and get them things pulled. Today is Monday, May the 18th, 2020. And we got 16, I think, going out. 17. So we're gonna get them things pulled and packed up, sent out. Whatever else. Looks like I got a black eye.
I think it's the hat.
Anyhow, yeah, look at that. It looks black, don't it?
A little bit.
Anyhow, so y'all stick with us. We got a couple of good bolos to show you guys and gals. So if you're out and about and you see these items, I encourage you to pick them up. They're good money. And who knows what else we'll get into. Maybe no more singing.
Never know though.
Y'all stick with us. So before we get started pulling these orders, we got us a new scale here. Y'all see this here? We mounted it up here.
Which it's not the time.
Yeah, it's got a clock on it too, but I don't want that clock. Who makes this thing? I don't even know who makes it. Had good reviews anyhow. No clue.
Oh no, the box is in there.
Made in China. And it should be better than our other one anyhow.
This is a 440.
Got us some of these OEM authentic genuine shed flips box cutters. See that right there? And the cool thing about these is they got the box resizer built in, so you can freehand scoring boxes. So we got us 2 of them in case I break one, which I probably will. And here's our orders going out today. Oh, another thing I want to show y'all before we get started.
That's our scale.
Fusion.
We can put a link below.
And let me show y'all. Where was I gonna show y'all? I painted this. See that? So now it matches this. We got the clown box fixing to list it. And see, y'all can see that there. We got the wax on it and polished. And here's the creepy clown. I burnt his eyes out, tethered his clothing here and burnt them a little bit. So that's pretty cool. So we're gonna list that today. Let's jump right in, get these orders pulled and ready to go. The first thing we sold is this 33 of these jazz cassette tapes. They're in M1, they're a box. And I can't remember which box they are.
You wrote on the boxes, they're on the other side.
So it's gonna be one of these. Lot of hip hop, that's not it. Get off of there. So, a lot of gospel, that ain't it.
Well, that one I think is it. Because I just wrote down one of the things. We'll double check those.
Let's take a look in here and see what we got here. So we're going to throw this and back up here because that's the wrong one. I believe I was supposed to label it jazz and hip hop. So this has got to be it. See, this was before we got into our SKU system. But this is why it's important, especially if you pre-package stuff. We got a Callaway in that one. Where you at? Yep, this is it. Okay. So we sold this, and we sold that for $24 plus shipping. I took an offer on it. Now we got to go to D1 and get a So Beautiful CD. Which one is it?
It's that one, I do believe.
Yep, this one right here. This sold for $14.62 plus shipping. Now we got to get some Creep Away. So this Creep Away Hydrating Cream, we sold this for $8.41 plus ship. Now we sold a Beowulf DVD for $7. Right here, can you see up for $7.29 free shipping. We got to get another one of these crib sheet sets for camo dealio right here. It's just a 2-piece sheet set. It's a fitted sheet and a pillowcase. And for this, we ended up getting $11.96 plus shipping. Now we got to get an M5 9 blank DVD thing.
It's the last barrel.
So these right here, they're all new, just the shrinks messed up on them, which that was disclosed in the listing. And for these we got $24.46 free shipping. Now in M5B we got to get a Janet Enovich 3-in-1. I know what it looks like if I can find it. You know, just bear with me.
Down at the very bottom.
Yep, right here. That's just a lot of books there. This is a Janet Evanovich 3 plums in 1, and this sold for $8.75 plus shipping. Now we got to go back over here to N2 and get a gold dust figure. Look, I see him right there. So this is just a loose gold dust figure from, I don't know the year on it. I think it's late 90s. Anyhow, this sold for $5.56 plus shipping. Now we sold 7 PS3 games on N2. This right here. These are all the duds I got from that lot. Let's see what we got. This one don't go. This one's worth money. These are just all the duds that was in that lot we got this past weekend. Call of Duty, Tiger Woods, MLB, NBA, NASCAR Inside Line, and WWE 2K16. And for these we got $13.96 plus shipping. Now we sold a Emerson Vcr. This was in that lot of video game stuff I bought a few days ago to try to get me a JFJ, which there's still none out there. And I watched one yesterday sell for $499 on eBay.
Used.
Yeah, with nothing, just the unit. So, Bolo for you guys and gals if you got one you want to sell. So this was in that lot. We paid $60 for everything. Sold this VCR here. It's a super light VCR. And this ended up selling for $50.75 free shipping. Let's see how much it weighs. It's the first time we used this scale, so 3 pounds 12 ounces. See, that's the light VCR there, so it's gonna cost near nothing to mail. So I'm happy with that. After shipping and fees, we'll probably make about 35 bucks on this, so that puts us a little over halfway to our total investment of that lot. Now this next item, this is a huge bolo for you guys and gals, especially if you don't know nothing about games like this guy. I knew one of the sports games for PS3 was good, one of the football games. I didn't know it was this good. So, this is Ncaa Football 14, Roll Tide.
Roll Tide.
Roll Tide.
Roll Tide.
Roll Tide.
Roll Tide, y'all. Roll Tide, Margaret.
Roll Tide. Roll Tide.
And this game is just the disc. Okay, no manual, just disc and case. And this sold for $129.49 free ship. And just the disc, if you can find just the disc, it'll sell for $100 easy. If this sold within what, 2 hours?
Mm-hmm.
So if y'all see this game at a thrift store, yard sale, don't look past it. Pick it up.
Even I think a scratched one was going.
Yeah, they're
up
going
there
for good money. Here's another one coming up. If y'all run into any of these, this is an N1B. So we got to go up here to N1B right here. So if y'all find any vintage WWE shirts, pick them up, okay? This is a Road Dogg Jesse James from D-Generation X. See that? It says kicking it doggy style on the back. It's on a AAA tag, all style apparel and activewear. And the graphic on this is from 1999 on this one. This sold within a couple, like an hour, 2 hours maybe. And this sold for $50.75 plus shipping. Now we got to get a row. We're looking at M5A12. Look at that. I'm telling you guys and gals, this LutheRoe's selling. And like I say, I ain't bringing big money, but every sale helps. And you can see that pattern on it there. And this right here ended up selling for $13.49 plus shipping. So happy about that. We still got a bunch of LutheRoe to go through.
Y'all see that barrel right there.
Then we got to get, these are them dog placemats and wiener dogs. I got them over here under my rabbits here.
Just set it over here.
Uh-oh, we dropped an egg. So we sold these. And then we also sold this. A lady contacted me wanting to buy all 5 of my wiener dog placemats, and she wanted this snoring thing. So we sold her. These are all different kinds. They're cork back. They're placemats for your table from Franklin Mint. No, Danbury Mint. My bad. So we sold her these 5 and this for $53.50 plus shipping. So happy about that. Get off that table. Now we sold, man, they buying the decorations off my door. We sold this right here. This is a pewter. Just got an eagle and stars plate on it. Who's this thing made by? Wilton, Columbia. Pewter. And it just hangs on your wall. It's a candelabra type deal where your candle goes in there, candle holder. This sold for $13.12 plus shipping. Now we sold a microphone. This is just an unbranded microphone. It's a knockoff of the Shure SM58 microphone, but this is just an off-brand. We sold this microphone though, $22.49 free ship. So happy about that. Now we sold some underwear, size large. Size large. So that's an extra large. We don't need that one. That's one of them. This is one of them. So we picked these up at an antique store of all places. Well, it's not really an antique store. It's an antique store and an indoor flea market type deal where there's booths, you know. And picked these up for $3. These sold for $25.58 free ship. So yeah, this is our orders going out over the weekend. I'm grateful and blessed to have these sales. That was a really good one. That shirt, all of them I'm happy with. So let's get all this stuff packed up and sent out and get that clown listed. Alrighty guys and gals, hopefully y'all enjoyed that video and maybe picked up something. We got our packages we just got here at the house. Gonna drop them off, coffee pot, and then we're gonna head back over there and list some stuff today and clean up some stuff, maybe work on some clothing. Don't know. She says yes, so we're gonna work on some clothing. And we will see you guys and gals tomorrow. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, to smash or mash or press or touch the like button. And if you haven't already,
Smash that subscribe button. Help us get to 500 so we can do our giveaways.
right, so close.
Also, don't forget to hit the bell for the notifications for when we do a new video.
Or live, because we may go live at a random time, I don't know. But we do appreciate each and every one of you, and we will see you guys and gals tomorrow.
Bye, y'all.